The Nike Air Max Plus 7 is officially making its comeback, and sneaker fans are taking notice. After the hype surrounding the Big Bubble Air Max 95, the Air Max Plus line continues to dominate the 2020s thanks to its loyal cult following and strong appeal among everyday buyers. Now celebrating its 20th anniversary, this revived-tuned Air Classic returns in a new black, medium ash, bright crimson, dark copper colorway. Combining a medium ash mesh base with bold Black TPU overlays, the silhouette keeps its signature attitude while adding eye-catching crimson accents on the swoosh and heel clip. Originally released in 2005 and priced at $180, the Air Max Plus 7 isn't expected to instantly sell out, but for dedicated collectors, this is one of Nike's most exciting retro drops of the season. With more upcoming colorways following past releases like Varsity Maze, this pair is set to hit Nike and select retailers very soon in men's sizing.